Yes, welcome back to Easy to Learn Microsoft Word, Lesson 3. I'm your instructor, Vincent Hope. A quick review of Lesson 2. We learned how the Microsoft environment works, learned about the menus, the bars, and some of their functions, the typing area. We also learned how to save a file in Microsoft Word. Today, we're going to be talking about working with text. Working with text. Most of the things you're going to be doing in Microsoft Word is working with text. And under working with text, we're going to talk about how to apply font size and type, bold, italic, and underline text, align text, switch between lower and uppercase, add numbers and bullets to text, apply superscript and subscript, apply double stroke, add color, insert symbol or text. Now, let's go ahead. So we're going to start first with applying font size and type. One thing you will have to learn to do in Microsoft Word is to highlight. To highlight, you click in front of the text you want to highlight. I click in front of font. You press your left mouse button and you drag over the font. You can see I have highlighted the text. I do it again. I click in front of size. I press and hold my left mouse button and I drag what I want to highlight. After you highlight, to increase the size, I will go to where we see font size. Click. I can select any number I want here. So I want to increase it to 36. I increase it to 36. I select again. I reduce it to 16. This is the size. Now I want to change the font type. The font types, there are different font types used in Microsoft Word. So I highlight fonts, for example. Fonts. I select here font. I click. You see different types of font type. I can select Comic Sans. You can see that the character changes. I come to type. I select highlight. Party. Then I select font, another font type. The Cooper. You can see. So we have learned how to change font size and type. Now we'll learn how to use bold, italic, and underline text. Now I highlight the text, click, press my left mouse button, highlight bold. Then go here, you see the big bold B, click bold. You see the character has changed. If I click it again, it goes back to normal, click bold. I want to apply italic to text. I click on the text, I highlight italic. Sorry, apply italic. Let me undo this. I highlight. I click italic. You can see the text is bent. I want to underline the text. I highlight the text. I now come to U, underline, click underline. So that is how to bold, italic, and underline text. Now we come to the next one, to align text. Align text means you want to position it in a particular section of your Microsoft Word page. So if I come here now, click in front of the text I want to align. Here we have align text to the left. If I click, it's already on left, so it remains the same. Align text to center, click center, it moves the text. Align text to the right, it moves to the right. Then here is justify. It takes it back to the original position with a slight difference. Then here I click align text to the left. So align text to the left and justify almost have the same function. So that is align text. So here we have the align different functions for the align text. Then we come to switch between lower and uppercase. Now lower case is in small letters, while uppercase is in big letters. So if I highlight the text, which I have highlighted now, and I come to this function here, it's a change case, this icon here, I click and I select lowercase. You see the B changes to small letter b. I come back here, change case, come to uppercase. It changes to capital letter B. The next thing we're going to do is to add numbers and bullets to text. Now, add numbers and bullets to text. You will understand it better if you have, for example, you have 3 lines here, easy to learn Microsoft Word, instructor, and lesson 3. I'm going to highlight the 3 at once, click in front of easy to learn, the first line, and highlight the 3 texts together. Then I now click, if I want the numbers, I come to numbering, select this numbering, click number. You say give a particular set of numbers. Now I select ABC, it numbers it ABC. If I want to do bullets, I click on bullets icon, I select the bullets I want, click the bullets icon, select the bullets I want, and that is how it functions. If I want to go back to normal, I will introduce a new icon to you. You go to this icon, that this arrow that bends backward is called undo. It takes you back to the where you were, takes it to where it was before. Now we go down. The next thing we're going to learn is to add superscript, super and subscript to a particular text. Now, for example, you do mathematics, sometimes you have x raised to power 2. So I type x here in capital letters and I type 2. Here we just have x2. If I want to make 2 a superscript, I highlight the number 2, put it in front, highlight it, and I come straight to this icon X. You see where it says superscript, and I click it, it takes it to superscript. If I want to make it a subscript, I bring it here and click subscript. So you see how the superscript and subscript works. Then we have double stroke. Double stroke, for example, you want to put a double stroke on a particular character. For example, in Nigeria we have Naira, and Naira is capital letter N with a double stroke. So I put N and I highlight the character N, and I come to font. I click this arrow here, click it, and I see under the effect, I see double stroke. I click on the double stroke checkbox. You see the output here, and I click OK. You can see this has been done to double stroke. I do it again. I can highlight D, and I come to font, and I select double stroke. You can see it's done the double stroke. Now the next thing we're going to do is add color. To add color, you highlight the text you want a color, then you see the capital letter A where you see font color. That's the font color icon. You click the arrow before it, you select any color you want. I select red, it is there. I highlight this, I click font, I select blue, it is there. So this is how to add color. Now finally, we're going to learn how to insert a symbol. There are certain characters you cannot find on the keyboard. Certain characters you cannot find on the keyboard. Microsoft Word has made a provision. So you position your cursor where you want to insert the character. You go to click the insert menu. Then you come to either you want to insert a symbol or an equation. Let's take a symbol, for example. You click on the symbol. You can see we have the @ sign. We have the pound sterling. The pounds. Is this pound sterling? The piece of pound sterling. We have times. We have this symbol, the yen. Any of them you want, you just click the one you want, yen. It appears there. You click the symbol. You click the one you want. It appears there. The same thing with the equation. You click. You're looking for a mathematical equation. You click on the equation. Then you select the one you want. A equals to R. You still click it. It appears exactly where you want it. So, what have we done so far? We have done how to increase the font size and type. This is where you increase your font size. This is where you increase your font, add your font type. We have done bold, italic, and underline. You highlight the text, bold, italic, and underline. We have done how to align text. You highlight the text. You click any of the aligned text alignment functions, and you get what you want. You talk about switch between lower and uppercase. You come to this function here, change case, select it. After you have highlighted the text, select upper or lowercase, any other thing you want. You want to add bullets and numbering to text. You highlight the text, especially it has to be 2 lines minimum. Come to the position, select any of the functions. It will change to the bullets, or you come to this, select any of the numbering type. It will give you what you want. Then you now come to add numbering, apply superscript and subscript. You highlight the text. You come to subscript or superscript. Then you come to applying double stroke. You highlight the text. You come to font, click it, select superscript, select double stroke. You click OK. Then you add color, highlight it, come to the font color icon, select the color you want, and you get what you want. Then you come to insert symbol, position the cursor where you want, go back there and insert the symbol as you want it. So this is what we have covered in lesson 3. I encourage you to practice this over and over again. Thank you. See you in lesson 4.